Hello, it's Padlock, and I was about to put this Kasp back together and took it apart for a thumbnail, and I thought I'd film putting it back together just in case anybody wants to know how to do it, which you probably won't want to know how to do it, but never mind. Okay, so we'll start with the plug, and we'll get this first anti-drill pin straight in there. Pin 2, pin 3, pin 4, pin 5, and pin 6. Let's just test the key in there. Yeah, that looks okay. Give it a twist on the Bible. Yeah, that turns freely. So we're okay with that. And we'll leave them in there, nice and safe. And we'll start putting the springs in the Bible. The springs are all the same, it doesn't matter which holes they go in, but that one's hole number 4, 5, 6, 3, 2, 1, and then we'll start putting the key pins in. I'm going to stick the first 3 in this way round, and then I'll get the others in from the back. So we're going for pin 3 first. Is that the right way round? Yeah. We'll press him down. Let's try that again. Come on, mister. Behave. He is not behaving. Come on, down you go. I think spool pins are easier. You can grip onto them a bit better. Let me just change my tweezers. Let's try these tweezers. I think these will be easier. Okay. Yeah, that's easier. Okay. Pin 2 next. And pin 1. Steely. Okay, then I'll pin the other 3 from the back. That's him in. Come on, number 2. Number 2's in, or number 5 even, and number 6. Come on, there we go. That's all of those in. Okay, so now let's put the Bible, the plug into the Bible. We can use the key, and it goes that way. And there's no skeletonization or anything like that inside, so we're okay. There we go. That turns. I need to put the clip on the back. There's the clip. Here it is. There we go. That's him in. And we'll drop him in. Okie dokie. go. And we'll screw this in. Are they not lining up? Could do it with a smaller screwdriver, really. Let me just... Why is that not screwing in? Should do. Looks fine. There we go, that's going in. And there we have it, one reassembled padlock. Let's give it a go. There we go, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and have a nice day.